Here's warm-up 1b.2. F of x equals 5x plus 7, and then we're going to write function g for a translation 3 units to the right of that. So Smeagol and Deagle both agree that g of x equals f of x minus 3, and that's correct. Glorfindel thinks that it's f of x plus 3, but he is wrong. This is incorrect. So when you're going left and right, you're adding or subtracting to the input, and it goes opposite of how you might think. So x minus 3 is going to send us to the right. X plus 3 would send us to the left. This would send us left, but that's not what we want. We want to go to the right. Okay, so Smeagol thinks that f of x minus 3 equals 5x plus 4. Deagle thinks that it's 5x minus 8. So let's try to figure out who is correct. So let's find f of x minus 3 ourselves. So that means I'm taking function f and inputting x minus 3 into it. So the input is where the x is. I'm going to replace the x with the quantity x minus 3. Okay? So if you look at the function, some people will do this. They'll take the x and just replace it with x minus 3 like this, and then write the plus 7. But that's actually incorrect because we need parentheses in here, because the next thing we're going to do is distribute. So actually, I think what if you just combine the negative 3 and the 7 before distributing, that would give you a plus 4 at the end. That's what Smeagol did. Okay, so I'm pretty sure Smeagol's wrong here. Let's check about Deagle. So, okay, let's distribute that 5. I've got 5x minus 15 plus 7, and now I'll combine the negative 15 and the 7 into 8, and I've got 5x minus 8. And that means that, hey, that's what Deagle got, so Deagle's correct. Okay, just trying to point out a common mistake. Make sure you use parentheses when you substitute in function notation, or any time you substitute. Okay, so let's try another. Let's write g of x for a translation 5 units to the left. Okay, so my new function g, I'm going to take function f, and since I'm going to the left this time, I'm going to do f of x plus 5. Okay, so then I'll distribute, well, first I'll substitute x plus 5 in for the input. The input is where the x is. So if you look at the function, it says 3 times something minus 4. Still got that. It's just the something is now going to be x plus 5. Okay, and then I'll distribute the 3. I still have the negative 4 at the end, and then I'll combine the 15 and the negative 4. And so g of x will equal 3x plus 11. Okay, that is the end of the warm-up, and I'll see you next time.